Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best folding TV trays that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Atlantic 2-pack TV tray. Atlantic has been catering to your organizational and storage needs for decades with well-designed and highly versatile furniture. This folding TV tray from the brand is one such example. This tray table has a fashionable look that is used for multiple events and both inside the house or back at the patio. You can use it for enjoying meals, snacks and also serve appetizers at a gathering. The legs are of metal tubes which are strong and have a powder coating for protection against the elements of nature. The top surface has medium-density fiberwood construction. As a result, gives you a solid platform and for protection against spills, you also get a PVC-coated lamination. At number 4. Lippert International Table. Lippert International is over half a century old and through so many decades has always made furniture that brings a whole different decor style to your home. It's pleasingly different, where it has its own unique style, but blends in flawlessly with the rest of the decorations. This set of TV tray tables has one of the most abundant wood sources constructions, bamboo. Since it is highly renewable, you aren't harming the environment either while buying this set of tray tables. Bamboo is used by ancient civilizations for a millennium and for the right reasons. It's lightweight but has high durability, which makes it the perfect material for your tray table. So, you can easily lift it up and move around the house. At number 3. CozyCasa TV Tray Table Set. The table is very sturdy. It came out a little smaller than I imagined, but the details are listed and I just overlooked it. Still, the tables were perfect height for my father-in-law to use, and works well for my own use. I was happy to see that there was 2 tables included for this price. The wood is a little bit more like laminate, but that works for us for easier cleanup. Still very pretty beige color, wood texture, great tables. Nicely made, very compact and light. After they shipped, I changed my mind. Contacted the seller to return them. Seller just told me to refuse the delivery. I did not. And I am glad I didn't. We'll keep them and get rid of another bulky set. Great little tables. At number 2. Powell Furniture Serpentine Modern Storage Tray Table. These tables are beautiful. Prettier in person. Very sturdy. And the contrast makes them very rich looking. We love them. Fits in with the other furniture perfectly. Not very expensive for what you get. After years of using wobbly tray tables, it was a real pleasant surprise to receive these Powell tray tables from Amazon. I had read the reviews from other purchasers, and they seemed to love these tables. Now I can see why. These tables are sturdy and very attractive. Probably the most attractive tray tables I've ever seen. These trays will look impressive in any room and are a nice addition to our home. I highly recommend them. One table I couldn't pick up, because the handle came off completely. You can see on the box that they were damaged. Had to be damaged. Location of the damage. 2 irreparably damaged. As you can see, many of us have received the very same package. If they had arrived intact, I'd say they were rather sturdy and have a nice height. I'm 5 feet 5 inches. Anyway, Amazon can keep one to sale as slightly damaged and toss the rest in the trash. Finally, at number 1. Lapdesks Bed Table Laptop. I am an avid reader, so it allows me to read and eat in bed. Funny thing, just this morning when I was having my breakfast and trying to juggle my e-reader and breakfast, I literally thought, I'd sure wish I had my bed tray. It came in just now, so I did what must be done. I fixed lunch, got my reader, jumped back into bed to put it to the test, and it is remarkable. Just perfect for what I needed. Sturdy, easy to clean and just the right height. Kudos, Adrian. I am very happy with the quality of this product. But I did not receive the little metal part that allows you in angle the tray. I would appreciate if you could send me that little part. I really like this tray. No complaints. It works great. I love that it folds up for storage and it is adjustable so you can read in bed. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.